Today I'm sharing the benefits of the packing cube method. I like to travel with packing cubes because they allow me extra space in my suitcase. I used to pack by using the rolling method all the time. I felt like I could get more clothes in that suitcase, but it does not serve my needs. And when I travel, I need to be able to find the outfits that I need, those outfit pieces, and I need to have more space in my suitcase. And that's what using the packing cube method does for me. Packing cubes usually come in a set of 3 or 4 with usually a laundry bag like an envelope. And because I always travel in a carry-on suitcase, I can take the medium-sized pouch or the medium-sized packing cube and the smaller packing cube. I usually pack my going out shirts and 1 pair of shorts or a pair of jeans in one of the packing cubes. And then in the medium-sized one is where I will put the other 2 pairs of shorts or my workout shirts, workout shorts, my pajamas. Here's an example of a shirt once I have folded both sides in toward the middle. If I fold it in half once, with some of my packing cubes, it's not long enough. So for this smaller one, I will fold my shirts 1 more time. I have also found that using a packing cube does not make my clothes more wrinkled. I usually travel with 100% cotton or some that don't wrinkle real easily and they have some rayon in them or some polyester in them. The number 1 reason that I use packing cubes is because they smush and squish. If you have an extra t-shirt, you can fold it down even more and fit it in a little extra pocket of space in that packing cube. So you can see that I have packed 3 shirts plus an extra one in here. I can also pack another pair of shorts in there. When you are finished packing inside each packing cube and you place the packing cubes in your suitcase, that is when you can find those extra pockets of space because packing cubes smush and squish. So if you pack your accessories or cords or some makeup, some evening accent color makeups in different pouches, you can squish this cube just a little bit more to fit a pouch here or to fit a pouch in this little corner. You can also fit 1 more shoe in between the packing cubes or in the edge of the packing cubes along the side of your suitcase. I also like to pack a curling iron in the side of my suitcase because I can smush those packing cubes down a little bit. And then I also like this packing cube. It's long and thin, like you can't really layer things in here, but I will pack my cords in here with undies and maybe a couple of pairs of socks. And this is an example of one of those things that can fit in between the 2 packing cubes once I get those cubes in my suitcase. Several of you who watch my travel tip videos like to pack per outfit. So you'll put the shorts and the top and then the shorts and the top in 1 packing cube. Me, I mix and match my tops and my bottoms so much that that is not helpful in an organized way for me. It doesn't help me be more organized. And then I use my personal item bag as an extension of this suitcase, and that's where I may put another packing cube. And I remember to stand it up so that it is like a wall of my personal item bag or backpack. Another way that people travel with packing cubes is they have a different color set for each child or family member. And then one way that you can travel with packing cubes is by when you get to your hotel, you pull out the packing cube and put it inside the hotel drawer. And then you just pull out the items you need. For me, when I get to a hotel or hopefully a beach condominium this summer after Corona, I will immediately hang up my shirts, my going out shirts, and then I just like to get everything in the drawers. So I take everything out of my packing cubes. These packing cubes are expandable. So when I say smush and squish, I mean that they can expand and you can still zip them because you press in and zip a little bit more, press in and zip a little bit more. Gone are the days of you sitting on top of your hard shell suitcase to fit everything in. A couple of years ago, I timed the folding method and the rolling method, and the folding method was faster than the rolling method for me. I think when I get to the hotel, I don't want to take out each roll, unroll it. I just take it out. I know exactly what those things are in this cube. They're shirts. So I'm going to take those over to the closet because I know I can hang them all up if that helps. I can't remember if I've said this, but if you have a bulky sweatshirt or big sweater, the best thing is to pack your packing cubes in your suitcase and fill in the extra pockets with pouches or whatever you have, and then drape that sweatshirt over everything, because most of the soft-sided suitcases can expand a little bit and can rise and bloat up if you have a bulky item. If you need help knowing the best features to look for in luggage, I have a video that I'll link for you. So for this video purpose, I've only put 3 shirts and then 1 on the side length, but I have found also that if I pack each packing cube with as many clothes as I can fit in there, they do not move around or jostle around and get wrinkled. So when I pull them out at the hotel, they're not as wrinkled. A very important packing tip that I learned from my husband, who is a pilot, is when you are packing your shirts in a packing cube, you want to have them where the neck of the collar is facing up. We did a World War II tour all through Germany and France, and so we were moving to a new hotel every night. So if you need to pack and repack every day, having the collar up will let you know that the shirt is clean. Once you have worn that top 1 or 2 times or 3 and it's finally dirty, just pack it where the neck of the collar is face down, and then you'll know that it's dirty. I would say just take 1 trip and use the rolling method. Take another trip and use the folding in a packing cube method, and see which is easier for you, which one takes less time for you. I also make a list of what I'm going to wear. I have an outfit video about how to choose the outfits that you're going to mix and match on your vacation that I'll link for you. But I found if I make a packing list, it is faster once I start taking everything out. So make that packing list another day before your vacation. And that way you'll be less stressed because you stressed less. If any of you need ideas of things to leave at home when you are packing, I have a video that I will link for you about that. I will link a Marie Kondo folding video for you. For me, it's not my packing style, but you know what your style, your personality is. So you just choose whatever tips and tricks from this video you need and decide if the packing cube method is for you. Thank you for visiting. I hope to see you in the skies very soon now that things are opening.